Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Concepts of Commerce, your virtual learning platform for all the concepts relating to commerce stream. My name is Deepshika Gandhi and the topic that I'm taking for today's video is numerical problem on economic order quantity. In the previous video, we discussed about the basic meaning of economic order quantity. So if you have not seen that video, you can click on the link above and can see the same video. So today in this video, I have taken some imaginary figures and I have calculated economic order quantity that gives you the ideal order size, number of orders to be made in 1 year, frequency of the orders to be made, total ordering cost, total holding cost, and total cost of inventory. So let's start with today's video.
Here in the question, we have been asked to calculate economic order quantity, number and frequency of orders, total cost of inventory from the information given here. And the information given here is annual requirement is 48,000 units. Ordering cost, that means cost of placing one order is 9 rupees. Carrying cost is 15% of unit cost and unit cost is given as 4 rupees per unit. एंड इन सर्टन क्वेश्चंस ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपको कैरिंग कॉस्ट परसेंटेज फॉर्म में नहीं गिवन होकर डायरेक्टली रुपीज़ फॉर्म में गिवन हो, सो आप डायरेक्टली उसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं इन द फॉर्मूला. But here, since it is given in percentage form of unit cost, we need to calculate the carrying cost. That we can do by calculating the percentage of unit cost. That means 4 rupees का 15%, that is 0.6 will be carrying cost in this particular question. Now the formula for economic order quantity is Q, that denotes the economic order quantity, is equal to under root 2 into D into S divided by H. So here demand is given D. S stands for setup or ordering cost, that means cost of placing one order. H stands for holding cost, that means अगर आप इन्वेंट्री को होल्ड करते हैं, अपने पास रखते हैं, तो आपका कितना खर्चा आता है. So in the question, demand that is D is given as 48,000 units. This we are taking annual, कि आपका annually कितना demand है for the units to be purchased. S, that means setup or ordering cost, has been given as 9 rupees per order. H, that means the holding cost has been given as 15% of the unit cost. और unit cost है 4 rupees. So 15% of 4 is 0.6 rupees per unit. So that means आपका H हो जाता है 0.6 per unit. Now let's apply the figures that we have been given to the formula that we just discussed. So we have Q is equal to under root 2 into 48,000 into 9 divided by 0.6. Computing 2 into 48,000 into 9, we get 8,64,000 divided by 0.6. Solving it further, we have under root 14,40,000. And when we calculate the square root of 14,40,000, we get 1,200 units. That means your economic order quantity, or you can say ideal order size, in simple terms that means कि आपको एक बार में कितने units order करने चाहिए to keep your cost of inventory to minimum is 1,200 units that we can calculate using this formula. Next, we can calculate number of orders that needs to be placed in 1 year. यहाँ पर we will take the annual demand that we have divided by economic order quantity. That means अगर आपका annual demand है 48,000 units और हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया कि एक बार में हमें 1200 यूनिट्स मंगवाने चाहिए, so that means एक साल में आपको 40 orders place करने होंगे. That we can calculate by this formula here. So if you make orders of 1,200 units each and you are placing 40 orders in 1 year, you will be able to complete the annual demand of your company. So here we have 40 orders need to be placed in 1 year. Next is frequency of orders. That means कितने दिन के अंदर आपको एक ऑर्डर प्लेस करना चाहिए. So here we can take number of days in a year divided by number of orders to be made in the year. So we know that number of days in a year is 365, but for simplicity purpose in accounting, in banking, generally we take 360 and the other logic behind this is that we have 12 months in 1 year. And on average, if we have 30 days in 1 month, so 12 into 30 again comes to 360. So number of days in a year, we will be taking 360, not 365. And number of orders we just calculated is 40 that needs to be made in 1 year. So कितना frequently आपको order place करना होगा, that is given by 360 by 40. That is coming to 9 days. That means every 9 days you should be placing the order for 1200 units, and that will keep your inventory cost to a minimum. Next, we have been asked to calculate total cost of inventory in the question. So for calculating total cost of inventory, we need to first calculate total ordering cost, then total holding cost, and then adding both of these two, that means total ordering cost and total holding cost will give us total cost of inventory. So सबसे पहले हम calculate करते हैं total ordering cost. Very simple formula we have for this. Take cost placing one order, that means एक order place करने में आपका कितना खर्चा आता है, जो हमें question में given है 9 rupees, multiplied by number of orders you need to make in 1 year. We just calculated कि हमें साल भर में 40 orders करने की ज़रूरत है if we are following economic order quantity. So आप कितने ऑर्डर्स करते हैं एक साल में? 40. कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लेसिंग वन ऑर्डर इज 9 rupees. सो टोटल ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट कम्स टू 360 rupees. नेक्स्ट इज टोटल होल्डिंग कॉस्ट. द फॉर्मूला फॉर टोटल होल्डिंग कॉस्ट इज होल्डिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट, जो हमने सेकेंड स्लाइड में कैलकुलेट किया था बाय कैलकुलेटिंग 15% of 4 and it came to 0.6. So H that we calculated earlier, 0.6, that has to be multiplied by average inventory. Now how to calculate average inventory? I have done it here separately under the working notes. Take economic order quantity that we calculated previously, that is coming to 1200 units, divided by 2. So average inventory that we have here is 600 units. So just multiply average inventory by H and you will get your total holding cost. So 0.6 multiplied by 600, total holding cost comes to 360 rupees. Lastly, we will be calculating total cost of inventory. So उसके लिए आपको add करने की ज़रूरत है total holding cost, जो हमने अभी calculate किया, plus total carrying cost that we calculated before it. And in this question, both of these is coming to 360 rupees each. So when we add both of these, that means the total holding cost and total carrying cost, it will give us a total cost of inventory that is coming here to 720 rupees.
That was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day.